Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to divide page vertically in Notion. So here I will write my text, so just copy and paste it so you could see. And now I will dissect it into two columns. Now, in order to divide it vertically, just simply drag this and drop it right here when these blue lines appear. Now you have two vertical columns, and you can also divide it by this divider. I will show you right now how to do this. Just simply type backslash and quote, and then hold shift and enter. And right now, as you can see, this divider appears. You can simply drag and drop this divider between right here, and then simply make it just like this, so it is next to each other. You can move it however you would like it to be, so just move it the way you want and simply use this divider as a visual representation of these two columns. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.